Hi guys. Okay, so by here, I'm struggling to get down to here. Um, I started picking the lock. I start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. I continuously do it. I did not lubricate this lock. I apply a medium tension to it, I should say. And that's it, really. So as you can see, I keep working my way through. Some are a bit stuck. I mean, I should have lubed the lock. But as you'll find out later on, the first cut was perfect. The first read was really good. And I am having a nose about because looking for traffic wardens, because you never know who is going to turn up and book my van, especially when I'm parked on double yellows. The customer wasn't here initially to start with this, but he turned up at the very end. So as you can see, the lock is picked open. And I always get my phone out. I open up my notepad. I scroll all the way to the bottom usually because there's like a million things there till I delete it. And then I read it as we go.
3, 4, 5, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Double check on 3, 3, 1, and 3, 2. Right, hi everyone. I haven't said much yet, I do apologise. I got lost in thought. Basically, we have a Ford Ranger to do, all keys lost. And not much else to say, so we'll start by picking the lock, which I've just already done. Now we're just going to cut the blade, and then we're going to program it up. Now I didn't lube that lock up, reason being, I don't always have to, but I might have had to, so hopefully this cut is perfect, and we don't have to faff about changing the blade. Yeah, hopefully we don't have to faff about changing the blade and the key. So down to Ford. And then we're going to go down to Ranger. It is also a 18 plate, so from 12, so it's on the ID 4749 system. So 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2. So 34, 53, 31, 33, 1, 3, 2 basically. And okay, and cut. So this key's 9049, so I'm hoping when I get in it, there's not going to be an active alarm, but there probably will be. But again, I'm going to use the good old faithful TVB. And hopefully we won't have any issues. Now I've never used this on a Ford Ranger before. I've always used other tools. So fingers crossed everything goes smooth for the sake of this video. Now once the key's cut, I will show you the programming method and I will walk my way through it all with you.
Hi guys, so by here I'm going to TTB. I'm guiding my way down to Ford. It was a Ford Ranger 2018. Once I get to it, I select Ranger, select 2018, and in my head I was blasting through this. My camera cut off at the end. I went a step too far in the video where I didn't think really. I forgot there's an active alarm and I have to wait the cooldown time on the alarm. So basically on this vehicle you wait for the alarm to slow down, and in the end, the vehicle would beep twice, and then you have a 1 minute window to program the key. Because I went a step too far, I had to restart it all, but neither here nor there. But the customer came, my glasses cut off, I had all sorts of things going on in the end. But basically, the vehicle did start at the bitter end, and yeah, I'm kind of glad that it did, because it's a really cold day. I hope everyone's having a good new year. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate all the followers I gained over the last few weeks, and I hope everyone has a very good new year. Thank you for watching.